Apple just changed the AI game again. What they're calling Apple Intelligence might be the biggest leap since Siri. At Next Gen AI Lab, we break down the latest in AI and tech, fast, simple, faceless. If you want to stay ahead, subscribe now. Let's get into it. Apple Intelligence is Apple's official entry into the world of advanced generative AI. It's baked into iOS 18, macOS Sequoia, and iPadOS 18, designed to make your Apple devices smarter, more context-aware, and deeply personal. The all-new Siri now understands context. Ask, "Remind me to reply to this email," and it just does. It can find photos, files, and summarize entire documents. It finally acts like a real assistant. Need to polish a message or rewrite your email in a different tone? Apple's writing tools now do it instantly, across apps. Create your own emojis using just text. It's called Genmoji. Plus, Image Playground lets you generate visuals inside messages or notes, fun, fast, and fully local. Here's the twist. Apple Intelligence uses private cloud compute, so your data stays private. But when needed, it smartly connects to ChatGPT, built into Siri and system tools, no account needed. This is Apple's AI era, and we're just getting started. Hit that subscribe button now for more no-fluff AI-powered insights, fast and faceless.